National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Madera County in Central California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Bonadel Ranchos, Madera Ranchos, or 11 miles northeast of Madera, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madera, Parksdale, Bonadel Ranchos, Madera Ranchos, Yosemite Lakes, and Madera Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.